Go to the canva.com website and create new account. So once the account has been created, log in and then you will see this kind of interface. So as you know, Canva is cloud-based online tool. You don't have to download. It is very easy to use and free, and you can design any kind of graphic elements in the Canva. So let's see what this interface is all about. So at the top we have the different templates. You can use these templates to create social media, graphics, business, marketing, education, and then you can also watch some video tutorials to learn the Canva. On the left side we have all your designs. So these are the your existing design which you have designed in the Canva. Okay, so and you can come back to Canva anytime and then you can edit them even from desktop or from mobile. So these are your existing designs. So you don't have to save any design on your desktop, on your computer. Brand kit. So from here in the free version, you can add 3 brand colors. This is also very useful feature. Other features are paid. And then uploads folder where you have uploaded your photos. So upload folders will show the photos you have already uploaded. And then trash to definitely remove. And then if you go back to the home page and scroll down, you can see different templates. Would you like to create thumbnail or presentation or poster or YouTube channel art, Instagram post? There are different templates for different kind of graphics, Instagram, Facebook, posters. You can design almost any kind of graphics in the Canva. Very, very useful, very, very easy tool. Okay, now next, in order to create any design, you need to click on the create design, or you can select anyone from this list. Okay, so let's click on the create design, and then here you have 2 options. Either you can select the predefined dimensions. So the one of the benefit of using Canva is that you don't have to worry about the dimension. What would be the dimension of the YouTube thumbnail? What would be the dimension of the channel art or website or presentation or brochure? So you already have the dimensions for all different kind of graphics. This is very, very cool. So either you can select one of these dimensions, or you can create custom dimension. So from here you can put any dimension you would like to use. Let's say 1280 by 720. Okay, and then create design. So this is where you are going to design your graphics. So this area is the canvas area, and then on the left side we have the templates. Next icon on the left side is photos. So you can use these free photos from Canva as well, or you can upload your own photos or images from uploads folder. So from this folder you can click on upload an image, and then you can upload your own images or photos or logos, any graphics. Okay, so photos, and then we have elements. In the elements we have shapes, we have grids, we have frames, and then other elements as well, but these 2 are very, very useful and we are going to use them. And then we have text. There are different pre-formatted text templates. You can use them, or you can just click on the add heading or add a subheading and you can create your own text. And then we have backgrounds. If you want, you can use any of these backgrounds. And as I said, the uploads folder you can use this folder to upload your own graphic elements, images or photos. So we are not going to use music and videos, that's why I'm not going to talk about that. And in the templates, you have the templates for almost everything: presentation, brochure, flyer, social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, presentation, website, app. You will find all kind of templates in the Canva. And then at the top right, you can see the dimension of the document. And then you have the download. And then at the bottom, you have the zoom level. And you know that you can use Control plus and Control minus to zoom in and zoom out. Or you can click here to zoom in and zoom out. And from here, you can preview the full screen of your work. And also you can duplicate a page, or you can copy and you can create new page as well from scratch. So let's try some of the options. So let's go to the elements. Okay, and let's try this grids option. Very useful if you want to show multiple images in one screen. For example, click on this grid. So it means that we can add 3 images in this grid. Very easy. Next, go to the photos, or you can go to your own uploads folder. So for example, I'm going to use this picture. So here basically you are not going to click on the picture. You need to drag and drop. This is very important. So drag the picture and drop. That's it. And then I'm just going to going into photos, and then same thing, drag and drop, and drag and drop. Okay, and then you can double click, and then definitely you can change the location as well. So this was the grid option. And then let's look at the other options from the elements. I'm just going to delete this, Control A and del. So we just looked at the grids, and then we have the frame. This is also very cool. So if let's say you would like to add a picture inside the circle, or there are so many other frames as well, or you would like to add a picture in the monitor, for example, or mobile. So let's see. So click on the monitor, resize, and then I'm just going to show you how to add okay, let's say picture in the circle. Same process. Find the picture from photos, or you can upload your own photos. And the important point is that you are not going to click, you are going to drag and drop. So drag the photo from the left and drop. Here make sure, now here if I drop it here, it is not going to be added in the circle. But once you see the picture inside the circle like this, okay, now I can see the picture inside the circle. Now it is going to be added in the circle, and just drop. And then same process, let's select any other picture, for example this picture, drag and drop inside the monitor. That's it. Okay, go back to the elements again. So select all and delete. So these shapes are very useful to create the basically design. So just click on the shape, and then you can resize from the handles. You can change the color from here. Okay, you can rotate as well. So I'm just going to zoom out, control minus, and at the bottom you can see this rotate icon. So rotate. Mostly you have seen this kind of designs like this. Okay, and you can do so many things. For example, so I'm just going to delete. If you use this circle, okay, and then zoom out, control minus, extend this circle, then you can see there is different kind of design. So we can design so many different kind of layouts just using these shapes. Even you can let's say like this, or any kind of shape. You can design different shapes using the shape element. Okay, so that was about shapes. And then the text, as I said, you can use any one of these pre-formatted text, or you can just click on the add heading, then start typing my new heading. So from here you can change the font size. And then from here you can change the font family. In the paid version, you can also upload your own custom fonts. So you can download fonts from the Google Fonts and then you can upload them, but that feature is available in the paid version, not in the free version. And then you can change the color from here. Bold, italic, you can align left, right, center. You can add bullet points. And you can also use any of these existing templates so that you don't have to format it. Formatting is already there, like this. By the way, this is grouped. So there are multiple elements which are grouped, and you can group and ungroup from here. Okay. So I'm just going to ungroup. Just zoom in, Control plus. So now they are ungrouped. Okay. And then you can change the text. For example, I can change it to, let's say, web design. And then you can change this text as well, or you can just select and delete. It's up to you. So that was the second option. So I'm just going to delete. Next, so you already know that you can upload a custom image from your computer using this feature, and then you can definitely use here. And then what else? So we can, let's see, let's add this picture. So once you know the picture is in the canvas, you can see different options here. You can change the effects from here. There are filters. You can change different filters, apply different filters on this picture, like Instagram or any other application. And then we can also adjust the brightness and contrast. and blur, saturation. If you want to sharpen the picture, just reduce the blur and increase the saturation. So you can play with these to make it more sharper, and you can crop the picture. Okay, so this cropping is basically increasing the size of the picture inside the area. And then you can hit once it is done, you can click on the done. Then you can flip as well, flip horizontal and flip vertical. And then on the right side, we can also, by the way, let me show you some. So for example, let me add this picture as well. So now we have two pictures, and right click on this picture, and we can send this to back and then bring something to the front as well. So the difference between send to back and send backward is, send backwards means send this element one level to the back, and send to back means send this element to all the way to the back, okay, from with all the elements. So you can, let's say you can say send backwards, or this picture is behind this picture, and if I right click and click on the bring to front or bring forward means bring forward one level, and bring to front means bring to the front from all levels. So make this element to the front of all the graphic elements. Okay. And then you can also use the transparency. You can transparent a picture or shape. Mostly we don't need to transparent picture, but we can transparent the shapes. And then let's say once you have the design, let's say this is our let's say just YouTube thumbnail. Select any template. So here we have the option to copy this page. So click on the copy, and now we have two versions of the same page, and we can make minor changes and then we can compare. It is like A/B testing. So for example, here I'm just going to change the color to black, and then we can compare. Okay, so this is black color text and this is white color text, which one is better? So you can copy the pages as well. This is also very useful feature. You can also add borders to a shape. So click on the see all in front of the shapes, and then you can see all different kind of shapes. Even there are 3D shapes as well. But in order to add borders, just click on the rectangle with the borders, and then you can change the color and resize. Like this. Okay. I'm just going to tell you some resources which are going to help you in any kind of graphic design work. If you would like to download the free pictures or images, you can go to the pexels.com. Very useful website. You can download the pictures free, and then you can go to the Pixabay. It's also free resource to download the photos, or you can use the unsplash.com, which is also very useful resource to download free pictures. If you would like to find out the color scheme, so what colors you should be using in your design, then you can use this color scheme, this website, coolers.co. Very useful website to find the color scheme and very easy to use. There are different color palettes, and you can find out the colors from these palettes. Very useful website. And then if you would like to download the fonts, then you can go to the fonts.google.com and you can download and use the fonts from here. Click on create a design from the top right side and then select YouTube thumbnail. So the YouTube thumbnail's recommended size is 1280 by 720, which is this canvas. Okay, it is 1280 by 720. So now on the left side we have different templates. So there are two options. Either we can use a template to create thumbnail, or we can design our own custom thumbnail. And on the left side we have templates, photos, elements, text, videos, backgrounds, uploads and folders and more. And then on the right side we have download, and at the bottom we have the zoom levels, and we can also add new pages. So first I am going to use custom design. So I'm not going to use any template. I want to create my own design. Okay, so for that, go to uploads. So basically I'm going to upload my picture or any other graphics which I'm going to use in the thumbnail. So click on the uploads and then click on upload an image or video, and then select the image you would like to include. I'm going to use this image. Select that, and then it is uploading on the Canva. So you know Canva is cloud-based online tool. You don't have to download it. So now my picture has been uploaded, and you can see here. Just click on the picture. It is going to be added in the canvas. Then you can just drag and reposition wherever you want. I'm going to position it at the right side, and then from these borders you can resize by just dragging. Okay, and then you can resize like this as well. So now my picture is on the canvas. Next I would like to add some elements, some shapes here. So go to the elements from the left side, and then here we have shapes. You can use a different kind of shapes from here. So I'm just going to use this rectangle. Just click on the rectangle and it is going to add in the canvas. Now we can drag and change the location, or we can resize. Like this. And also from here we can change the color. So click on that, and then we have different options. We can create new color. This is very good option, photo colors. So Canva automatically extract the colors from my photo, this photo. This is a very cool feature. I really like it. So I'm going to, let's say I am going to use this purple color like this, because this color is matching with my shirt's color. And then I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. So if you want, you can also zoom in and zoom out. So Control minus zoom out and Control plus zoom in. Okay, so this shortcut keys mostly works in all the graphics softwares. So I'm just going to rotate it. If you want to rotate it, at the bottom, this one, this is the rotate icon, this one. Just rotate, and then I'm just going to resize. so that it will take the full space. Okay, I just added some design element, and then you can zoom back in, or you can use this zoom panel to zoom in. Okay, you can click on the fit. Now we have the picture and the shape. So next, definitely we have to add the text. We can add text from here, and also we can add text on some shapes. So for example, I'm going to add another rectangle, and then resize and move it here. You can see there is a pink border all around. Try to have your all the graphic elements inside this pink area. Okay, this one. And then from here we can change the colors, and we can use the colors from the documents. For example, this color, black color, purple. I think maybe white should be okay. Now I am going to add some text inside this shape. So click on the text from the left menu. So here you have different pre-formatted text. You can use them, or you can just click on add heading or add a subheading. So I'm just going to add a heading, and then you can type the text. So for example, how to create. Okay, and then you can change the color from here as well. Again, use the color from the photo, and then you can move like this. And also we can increase the font size, and then from here we can change the font family as well. Okay, you can use any font you like. Make sure that the text is larger, okay, in the thumbnail. So how to create, and then I'm just going to copy these two. So I'm going to select both the shape and the text using the shift key. Okay, you can also group from here if you want. Copy and paste, Control V, and then you can use arrow keys with shift, or you can just use the mouse, move it a little bit below, and then I'm going to change the text to how to create thumbnails. So if you want, you can change the font size, and you can just play with the font sizes and the styles. Font size, okay, 48 is still too big. 42, okay. Maybe let's try something else. Now we have to increase the font size, and this is good. How to create thumbnails. So if you want, you can change the background color of this shape as well. So now there might be some problem, like if you are, let's say you want to select the shape, and sometime you are not able to select the element from the back side. So if you click on the control key, then you should be able to select the element from behind. Okay, control, click, and then from here you can, if you want, you can change the color like this. So how to create thumbnails for YouTube, and you can also add another text, or I already have a YouTube logo which I already uploaded. So I have YouTube logo uploaded, and I have the Canva logo which is already uploaded in the Canva. So I'm just going to use this YouTube logo. Just click on the logo, and then you can just change the location, resize, and you can just align it like this. And then I have this Canva logo, so it is already uploaded. So just click on that, and then again resize, and you can move, you know, wherever you want. So for example, I'm going to put it here. Like this. Okay, and definitely you can add something here if you want in this extra space, or you can put something here as well. It's up to you. It depends on how much time you would like to spend. But the rules to create thumbnails are that the text should be larger. Okay, and then pictures should be clear and sharp, and the dimension should be 1280 by 720. Okay, so for example, let's say that this thumbnail is completed. Now I have to export it. Okay, I think this is better. Let me just, okay. So for example, suppose that this thumbnail is done. Now next step is click on this download button at the top right, and then from here you can change the format, PNG, JPEG. So the PNG is good. Just click on this download. Just close this dialog box, and your thumbnail has been downloaded. Now go to the download folder, so click on the downloads, and then here you can see your thumbnail. So double click, just open it, make sure that everything is good. Okay, so that is done. Next step is to add this thumbnail in the YouTube. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. So from your YouTube channel's home page, click on the YouTube Studio. And then from left menu, click on the videos, and then select the video you would like to add the thumbnail. So for example, just for the demo purpose, I would like to add thumbnail on this video. So click on that video, scroll down, and here you can see upload thumbnail. So click on that, and select the thumbnail. So you can see that thumbnail is here. Now just click on the save, and it is going to save the thumbnail on the YouTube. So the second option is that you can use these templates to design the thumbnail for the YouTube. So from here you can pick any template you would like to use. So I'm just going to use this one. So click on the template. So the design is already there, you just need to edit. So delete this picture because we are going to add our own picture, and then go to uploads and then click on the picture, change the location, so resize with the same proportion, and then you can send it to the back. Okay, right click, send backward, because you want this text and the shape at the top. And then from here you can delete this design if you want, and I'm going to change the color of this pink as well because this is not matching with my color scheme. And from here I can use any other color, black, purple. Okay, so maybe purple is okay. And then here I'm going to add the text. I'm just going to change the, okay, like this. Okay, here I'm just going to, if you want you can use this text or you can create your own text. So I'm just going to delete this, and then I can use the same YouTube logo. Just click on the logo. Okay, because logo's color is also white, so we have to change this background color. Let's say this one. We can change it later as well. Okay, maybe this one. So resize this logo. Now we need to add the text. So go to the text from left side, click on heading, and then you can move it here and just type the heading. For example, how to create thumbnails for YouTube. So we can change the location. And then I can add Canva logo as well. So go to the upload and then click on the Canva logo. Resize. Maybe I can put it here. I'm just giving you the demo. Definitely we can do a lot on these as well. Suppose that my thumbnail is done. Same process. Click on the download and then select the format, PNG, download. Close this dialog box, and then you can go to the downloads folder, or you can click on this arrow and click on the show in folder, and then you can open the thumbnail. So now we have two thumbnails, one with using the existing templates, which is this one, and then the other one is the fully customized from scratch, like this. Okay.